Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. At the end of 2023, the German car manufacturer BMW has released the 8th generation of his luxurious 5 Series limousine, and also the first full electric 5 Series ever, called i5. So in today's video we'll see how safe is the new i5 against to the already well-known Tesla Model S, and also against to the cheaper but also new model, the Volkswagen ID.7. I can tell from the beginning that all full electric vehicles obtain the maximum 5 EURONcap stars, but with different scores, and that the idea behind this video is to find which of the 3 vehicles offers more crash protection for the price paid, and the results are quite unexpected. For a starting price of around 95,000 euros, the most expensive from our list is the Tesla Model S, which also obtained the highest overall protection score despite of being the oldest vehicle from our video. Just with a few points below is the new Volkswagen ID.7, which with a starting price of around 57,000 euros offers the best price protection ratio from our list. With only 89% adult occupant protection and a much poor safety asset score of 78% protection, the new BMW i5 gets on the last place, offering the worst crash protection for its starting price of around 76,000 euros, making from him not the safest vehicle for his price. And now we can conclude that we don't need to spend so much money to get a very safe and spacious full electric vehicle. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our brief video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.